Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about crop or grain farming. Crop or grain farming is a major industry in the world today, and it plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It is a type of agriculture that involves growing crops or grains for food, feed, or other products. Crop farming is used to produce crops like wheat, rice, corn, potatoes, and so on, while grain farming is used to produce grains like corn, wheat, and rice. The main advantages of crop farming are that it is a profitable and sustainable way of producing food. It also helps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem by providing habitats for various animals and insects. On the other hand, grain farming is more about producing a specific type of grain that is in high demand in the market. It is also a more efficient way of producing food as it uses advanced techniques and technologies. Crop farming is done in various ways, and each method has its advantages and disadvantages. One of the most common methods of crop farming is the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. These chemicals are used to promote growth and prevent pests and diseases. However, the use of chemicals can have negative effects on the environment, human health, and the ecosystem. Another method of crop farming is the use of organic farming, which involves using natural methods to promote growth and prevent pests and diseases. Organic farming is becoming increasingly popular as people become more aware of the negative effects of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Grain farming is also done in various ways, and each method has its advantages and disadvantages. One of the most common methods of grain farming is the use of irrigation systems. Irrigation systems are used to ensure that crops have enough water to grow. However, the use of irrigation systems can have negative effects on the environment, as it can lead to water pollution. Another method of grain farming is the use of genetically modified crops, which are crops that have been modified by scientists to have enhanced traits. Genetically modified crops are considered to be more efficient and sustainable than traditional crops. In conclusion, crop or grain farming is a vital industry that plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It is a profitable and sustainable way of producing food, and it helps to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. However, it is important to be aware of the negative effects of crop farming on the environment, human health, and the ecosystem. As we continue to face challenges like food security and climate change, it is important that we find ways to promote sustainable crop farming practices that are both efficient and environmentally friendly. Thank you for listening.